and today we're going to be checking out a wig, and this wig is from Divatress. I'm the type of girl who just loves to get a wig, grab, put it on and go. Sometimes I don't have time for all that installation stuff, so I love me a wig that I can just quickly grab, put it on and get out the house. 2 minutes, I'm out the door. So Divatress wigs are the bomb.com, and they do just that. They do just that. I put it on, I go about my errands, about my day. When I come back home, I take it off and I'm good. It's actually my second time buying a wig from Divatress, and I have not been disappointed. So I decided to go ahead and purchase another one. BFF collection, virtually undetectable, and it's a lace front wig. So this is what we're going to be trying out today. Ooh, just opening the packaging, and this is how it looks basically. And if you know me, you know obviously I love color. I don't like wearing so much dark colors, so I like a little bit of color in my wigs. And of course you can see here they've got a purple wig on their pamphlet right there. It's like a purple ombre type of wig, and of course I'm into red, so this is how the wig looks. It comes in a variety of colors, which is umbrella frost, umbrella hot pink, umbrella mint, umbrella red, lilac, umbrella royal blue, and umbrella white. Mine is umbrella red right there. So let's check this baby out. They've already potted the wig and they've pre-plucked it. There's some baby hairs on it. As you can tell, the lace is kind of like medium brownish, but on camera it shows like a little white. This is how it looks on the inside with the potting already. It's got 2 side combs, another comb at the back, and an elastic band. With a nice side part. Ooh, I love me a side part. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, I love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I shifted it a bit too much, but that's where I prefer my potting to be, so why not? So I'm just gonna cut off this lace and come, and then I'm gonna take the concealer and just apply it on the potting section. Gonna add a little bit more baby hairs. And then here I'm just adding basically I'm applying a little bit of edge control just on the edges, and just to make it look a little bit more laid down. And yeah, and so far so good. I love everything about this hair, and that's about it for this tutorial. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this little wig installation, and until next time.